Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. They're going to show you how to configure Digital Wellbeing in your Galaxy M15. To configure it, slide up, go to settings and search for the option names, same Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So enter it and there you have a few options to do that. The time when you be on the phone, the screen time goal, you can set goal whatever time you want. You can set time on each application you want. You have get your driving monitor. You can get the walking monitor when you use your phone while you walk, and you can set up the volume monitor. There is a settings here. How many you use your phone. On the dot you have a settings about the digital well-being. So there is you can set a pin notification and much more settings about the well-being settings in digital. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.